Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare N8N and FLOWISE. N8N and FLOWISE are both visual workflow tools, but they focus on different areas. N8N is a powerful automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services without needing to write much code. It has a simple visual interface where you drag and drop nodes to create workflows. You can automate tasks like sending emails, moving files, updating databases, or connect with APIs. It's open source, so you can host it yourself and customize it fully. N8N supports hundreds of integrations, making it flexible for many use cases. Whether you're a developer or non-technical users, it's easy to start building useful automations. FLOWISE is a simple, visual tool that helps you build AI apps using large language models like ChatGPT. It lets you drag and drop blocks to create workflows like asking questions, searching data, or using tools. You don't need to write code, which makes it great for beginners and non-programmers. FLOWISE is built on LangChain, so it supports advanced features like memory, agents, and custom tools. You can connect your data, APIs, or even add logic to make the AI smarter. It's perfect for building chatbots or custom AI assistants. Overall, N8N is better for general automation and app integrations, while FLOWISE is better for building and managing LLM-powered AI workflows. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.